I decided to put a couple screws in. I really wanted to know if that wood is solid. It seemed solid. And I put one right over here, and here's where the hole was. And these screws went in really good. They hit solid, really solid wood. So I feel comfortable with that. There is airspace down below, so whatever moisture is in there, it should get out. So I'm going to go ahead. The other thing I forgot to mention is before I put the Gaco tape on, just wire brush it off to get it good and clean. And it's not a whole lot of roofs you can use a wire brush on and basically not even touch it. But the silicone roofing is one of them. It just doesn't. Cleans it good. It's not going to damage the roof. Okay, time to Gaco tape it. All we need is a dab. Well, we'll put it thicker than that though. We'll put a good 1/8 of an inch on there. You know, spread it out. We're gonna, because it shrinks some and needs to be good and solid.